to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button and share this with all your friends if they like makeup and crazy stuff. So today we're gonna be doing a fun look that I've done before a few times in many different ways. Today I'm kind of going for like my own take, but also a Jared Leto take. Yes, Joker. Let's get started, okay? The primer base. Every single time I get ready in my room, it's a fucking disaster. We're gonna be putting on some white paint, water base. And let's paint my body. A nice thick brush. Okay, I got it. Get it together, Joey, get it together. Back here, what's going on? I have to pee. I'm just gonna take a big fluffy brush, put that all over. Shit, I'm gonna block out my brows. Fuck me. This is great. Eyebrows are blocked, honey. I'm gonna be using a gray. Can you just tell me how much you love me and this is our last day working together?
Oh, fuck off. Hate you.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are done with this look. I got my gloves on, got my outfit ready. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, tag, share with all your friends. Until then, bye-bye.